Hey, it's Randy from Out There Farm. There's a guy contacted me several weeks ago. He's wanting a pigeon coop. You know, we build them outhouses, or storage buildings, whatever you call them. But he's wanting one built for a pigeon coop. Wanted it 4x6. And I just start off with my basic pallet, getting it lined out how I want it, got it leveled up. And then I'll just start putting four corners in and stuff, and then go up from there. But we just kind of film it as long as we go, and that way you see how to build a pigeon coop or a storage shed, whichever way you want to say. But it's kind of a strange request, a pigeon coop.
Well, this guy does pigeon
racing,
which I didn't even know they did that. So
we're going to build that for him today. So y'all can just follow along. We'll turn you on periodically and show you what we're doing.
All right, get to work.
Hey, it's Randy, it's me again. We've got it all framed in. I got my base, and like our normal outhouses, you have a door coming in on this side. We switch this one where the door's on the side, since it's going to be a pigeon coop. That way he can walk in there and have coops all the way around the edges. So we got her all framed in. All we got to do now is put the siding on it, and the roof.
And the flooring.
But to this point, it takes 2 hours to get to this point, get it framed in. That's usually the longest thing. When you start putting siding on it, it goes up pretty quick. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay, and it's 7 foot in the...
8 foot in front, 7 foot in the back. And it's 4 by 6.
4 by 6, 7 foot in the back, 8 foot in the front, 6 foot tall door opening.
Yep.
3 foot wide.
Yep. And he don't want any windows or shelves or anything. He's going to do all that himself. This way we got it all framed in. This is how we want it.
We hope this is how the customer wants it.
Yeah.
This is how he described it, so.
We made a decision.
Okay. So it's been about 2 hours working. Got a nice breeze going today. So we're probably going to take a little bit of a break, eat a little bit of lunch. Then we're going to start cutting the walls and the flooring. And we'll bring you back when that's done. So y'all have a great day. We'll see you in a little bit.
Hello, it's me again. Alright, we wrapped the outside of it with our wood. This is all made out of poplar. I put it on a 4x6 pallet. It's all poplar 2x4s and 1x for the outside. Well, they're actually 1/2-inch siding. I cut it 1/2 inch thick for the siding, just to cut down on the weight a little bit. I left the hole here at the end for the pallet, so you can actually use pallet forks and lift it up and move it around, load it or whatever, and you kind of pick it up. We'll first put our roof on next.
Roof or door?
We'll do the roof next, and then we'll do the door later. Okay. I've got to go pick up some hinges.
How many hours so far?
To get to this point, about 3.5, somewhere around 3.5.
3.5, but that don't count cutting the wood and...
No, I cut all the wood yesterday in about 2.5 hours.
So 5.5, 6 hours.
We've still got a bunch of wood left over.
Okay.
But so far, that's about all that we've done.
We still didn't put the flooring in, the door, and the roof. It will have a tin roof. Okay, well, like I said, we're just kind of showing you step by step what he's doing. And if it's not finished today, it should be finished definitely by this weekend. After all, we do have to work. So this is the inside view. And this is actually rainbow poplar. We didn't have a whole lot of rainbow poplar, not enough to slab out. This is a nice size. This is a nice size area. I mean, and I'm 5'7", and I mean, it would be, I'm not going to touch the ceiling in the back. Definitely not in the front. And I think a pigeon would be very, very happy. Oh, anything else, dear?
Nope, that's all I was wanting to say.
All right, well, we'll get back with you.
Hey, this is Randy at Mountain Air Farm. All right, this is another check-in on the outhouse, or pigeon coop, not outhouse. We've got everything done. All we got to do is just build the door tomorrow. We've got the tin roof on, washed off all the sawdust on it, but it's real pretty. It's some of that tulip poplar wood, but it wasn't big enough to make slabs out of. But it still looks real good. But we'll get the door on it tomorrow.
We got about 6 hours in it.
Yep.
Like I said, this is a 4x6. Normally what we build is like a 4x4, but this was a little bit of a custom order. So we made some adjustments. All the nice wood in the floor. Tin on the ceiling. Now that wood grain looks so pretty. You could tell it all came from the same tree. You could see the same tree design in it. Randy, how many trees was it? 1 or 2 or?
Wasn't even a whole one.
No, wasn't even a whole one.
There's like 3 logs of a tree. 3 8-foot logs.
So 3 8-foot logs, what, 13, 15-inch diameter?
Yeah, a little bit bigger than that.
Now this is all rough cut, so once it dries, of course it's going to have a little bit more gaps, but I'm sure the not the chickens, but the pigeon coop, pigeons won't mind. And that's kind of what it's made for. It's made for livestock, sheds, barns, anything of that nature. So tomorrow we're going to build the door, put on the hinges. He's got a door handle out of wood that he's already made for it. So, we've been sending progress reports to the gentleman that's ordered it, and he seems very, very pleased. Well, Randy, anything else you'd like to add?
We'll probably show you a finished product on another video. We'll probably go ahead and upload this one tonight. So
okay.
Make sure and like and subscribe.
Alrighty. As always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.